Hi, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the notification bell for more videos. So this is the products and hacks we've got in this video. This is the package. She's gonna unpack these new products. This is an ice cube mold. This is a blender you can use for making juice. This is a closet you can use for organizing your shoes. This is a tool you can use for your chair. This is another apartment. We'll see the tools we've got in this beautiful apartment. This is a dispenser you can use for storing cereals. This is a mobile phone holder. This is an electric tub you can use for your feet. This is another package. This is a cleaner you can use for cleaning your jewelry. This is a shoes dryer you can use for drying up your sneakers and your socks. These are shelves you can use for your sandals. This is a holder you can use for soap bars in the bathroom. This is another apartment. She's having a shower using this soft brush. This is hair dryer. This is an oil brush you can use for food. This is a cooker. This is another package. This is a small wallet you can use for remote controllers and other small items. This is another apartment. We'll see the gadgets we've got in this beautiful apartment. This is a cooker you can use for cooking cakes. This is an electric brush you can use for cleaning your stove. This is a small box you can use for cutlery. This is a shelf you can use for organizing your stuff at home. This is a folding dustbin, and this is a square mop you can use for the floor. It's really helpful. This is a small folding washing machine. This is a closet you can use for your clothes. This is a cooker. This is another electric brush you can use for cleaning your stove. This is a dispenser you can use for storing cereals. This is an electric brush you can use for brushing off your clothes. This is a mobile chair you can use for the housework. It's really helpful.